How to fix keeps restarting in Poco X8 Pro. First of all, turn off auto restart. Open setting now. In setting, click on search bar, search auto restart. Now click on auto restart and turn off this button. After turning off this button, auto restart turn off from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting now. In settings, scroll down. Click on search bar, search update software and click on system updates. Click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, factory data reset. Open setting, scroll down, click on about phone, scroll down, click on factory reset and click on erase data. After click on erase all data, contact, photo and video, apps, accounts, backup, SD card data will be erased or deleted from your phone. This is how you can fix keeps restarting in Poco X8 Pro. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.